since I've been made acquainted with you, and you come to beg a song or two. I have a mind to be of some avail, for you are base yet seem so true. Better you were a champion too than live on another man's entrail. Such solace you have given me, our luck. Another man would find it oxome too. You and crossing clearer without fail. A pig that's watched for feed, it's true, makes better listening than you, or a wounded man when they assail. Whoever called you coward struck, it would seem it were not true, for you are big and young and new. You make a show of having entrail, but where the hair's a lion too, you're foxy, idle through and through, weak, with no defense to avail. You're hollower inside than elder's luck. A sable's heart is bigger. It's true. It is true. But your liver and your lungs, they grew large underneath the pillow's veil. In the morning you are sleepy too. If one sounds you a word or two, you seem as though it's of no avail. They hold you for a wretch in arms ill luck. Among the Basque not one boy, it is true, but falls upon you as they do. If they defend with melons without fail, each one would enter sooner than you. If you had helm and visor too, if you had helm and visor, to no avail. Where you smell mutton on the grill, you hurry in with eager will, more than to palace or to battle's hail. No joint so large that you can't fill in one morsel or two, until one cuts it for you without fail. Hey! 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 Raymond the Plough, so worthy you, I wish ye hear the servanties of you, and may the tune come out with toil and ale. For you sing worse than the peacock's crew, and gobble the words and the music too, so he's a fool who gives them to your avail.